If someone else asks you how much or how many hours do you sleep, so first of all you can say like I can sleep like 4 or 5 hours. So I think that's a normal answer, but we won't say it like a basic speaker. Okay, we'll say in different ways. Like I think it depends on a person. Like if someone else really wants to do something for their life, so definitely they sleep only few hours, like more than they sleep at best 6 hours. Like I think it's enough like for the students, like it's the right time for studying. So if they study well, so definitely they can expect something that they will do something of for his life. So I think those who don't have any kinds of work to do, so they can sleep a lot. But those who really wants to do something for his life, so they sleep only like one like maybe for the 5 or 4 hours like that. But those who don't have any kinds of idea about his life, like those who feel that they, I will do something but I don't have any kinds of a plan for doing something, they can sleep more than 8 hours or 9 hours. But one of the most thing happen in my country, like those who don't have any kinds of work, they can sleep a lot. But those who have some specific work, they don't get too much time for sleeping, because they think that it's not a right time for sleeping. I will get a lots of hours for sleeping, but I will not get the same time for doing something like for studying. And if I talk about like for a student, time is very important because time is not restorable. If we resource our health, if we resource our money, we can restore it. But if we lose our time, we can restore it, because time is not restorable. Time is more valuable than resource, so always we will have to utilize our time. So in a student lives, every single student should study regular basis and they should utilize their time. So whenever they will do, they will achieve something, and as they expect from their life. So I think it will be somewhat beneficial for them whenever they will do something well and whenever they will achieve something.